Gold crashes through $4,000. The Ethereum Foundation is in a full-blown governance crisis, and Coinbase just dropped a historic $400 million on acquisitions. The market is sending a brutal, crystal-clear message about what actually works. This is your 6-minute flash update. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, Alex here with Moonward Capital. Welcome to Crypto Pulse, your essential 12-hour briefing to stay ahead of the crowd. Today we're witnessing a seismic shift. It's the infrastructure revolution colliding head-on with a governance reckoning. Let's break down the 3 stories you absolutely need to know right now. First, the traditional world is bleeding. Spot gold just plunged 2.43%, crashing through the critical $4,000 psychological support. At the same time, Tether flooded the market, minting another billion USDT. That's $70 billion in fresh liquidity since the October 11th crash. While Bitcoin has dipped below 108 T amid an Asian exchange crackdown on Bitcoin treasury companies, the narrative is clear. The digital gold rotation is accelerating as capital flees traditional assets. Second, the infrastructure revolution just got its biggest validation yet. Coinbase made crypto history, dropping a combined $475 million for the on-chain capital platform Echo, and another $25 million for the up-only NFT. This isn't about hype, it's about buying proven, revenue-generating platforms. The market is rewarding measurable success, and it's a sign of serious maturation. And third, the governance reckoning. A leaked letter from a former Geth developer has exposed the Ethereum Foundation's compensation structure. Core developers are reportedly making around $100K a year, while podcasters are pulling in millions. This has sparked a community revolt, with major figures like Polygon's Sandeep Nelwal publicly questioning their loyalty to the ecosystem. This isn't just drama, it's an existential crisis questioning the very decentralization and fairness of crypto's second biggest asset. So with gold crashing and Ethereum's governance imploding, where is capital actually flowing? Straight into foundational infrastructure. Layer 1 blockchains have exploded to 18.45% mindshare dominance, the highest allocation we've seen in months. The keyword infrastructure is surging with over 3,200 weekly mentions. The market is rotating away from complexity and towards proven, simple foundational tech. The perfect example of this is the AI infrastructure convergence. Chain Opera AI, or Co-AI, has rocketed over 37% to $8.07, leading the entire AI sector's recovery. This proves the market has a massive appetite for AI-powered blockchain solutions, especially as they hunt for quality projects that were oversold during the recent fear cycle. And if you needed any more proof that infrastructure is king, this week a massive Amazon Web Services outage took down over 50 crypto platforms, including Base and other major L2s, exposing that 37% of Ethereum nodes run on their servers. The market is learning a hard lesson. Convenient centralization is a critical vulnerability. True decentralization isn't a buzzword, it's a necessity. So what's next? In the immediate term, we're watching Bitcoin consolidate above that crucial $108,000 level. Sentiment is cautiously optimistic, but social media shows retail is still traumatized from the last crash, even as institutions are clearly accumulating. 2 major events are on the horizon. First, on October 25th, we have a massive token unlock for Plasma, a $37 million release of XPL tokens. Watch for supply pressure there. Then on October 28th, the industry converges for Blockchain Life Dubai 2025, the largest Q4 gathering with over 12,000 attendees. Expect major partnership announcements and institutional deal-making. Today's market is defined by a single conflict: the infrastructure revolution versus the governance reckoning. We have Coinbase spending $400 million to buy proven utility, while the Ethereum Foundation is struggling to justify how it pays its core builders. The question for you is, which wave are you riding? Are you positioning in foundational L1 infrastructure? Are you capitalizing on the AI blockchain convergence led by movers like KOAI? Or are you demanding governance transparency before you invest further in established ecosystems? Let me know your strategy in the comments below. If you got value from this flash update, hit that like button and subscribe to Moonward Capital to stay ahead of the crowd. We'll be back in 12 hours with your next Crypto Pulse. Stay sharp.